And yet a third way of making a bowl. This one will have a flat bottom. We're going to start with a circle. Make a nice big circle. And P for pull. Pull it up to thickness we might want to do. And then pull. Now you can put a curve on the top to your liking. That's not quite half. Then a curve on the bottom and bring it up to match top curve. So by careful calculation of that curve and the main diameter, you can influence the diameter of the base. But this is a solid now at the moment. But with the use of this tool here, the shell tool, choose that, and we see that at the moment the dimension is 1 millimeter. Or maybe 2, it might be better for this. Select 2 and then click, and it is hollowed it out for us. And if we select the center line, whoops, what happened? Do that again. Using the shell tool sometimes causes strange things to happen. So I'm going to select the surface. Oops, this is because I've still got the shell tool active. That's why it's punched a hole in the bottom. Control Z, shell it out. Right, I'm just going to select the select tool. Now we might be better off. Right, select that. Press X, and let's put a cross section in for us. So that's our ball. Flat bottom. You could make it a curved bottom by putting 2 curves in. You could put a very shallow curve in, then add a tighter one at the end. So that's that one.